What is up, YouTube? Back for another quick video on the 25 RTR. Today we're installing some new vanity lights. Pew. All right, guys. So, like the title says, we're going to put some new vanity LED light bulbs in here. Obviously, you can see this is how it comes. It is just the standard amber bulbs. It doesn't go with our nice bright LED ones that are on the dome lights, as well as everywhere else in this car, even in the trunk. For some reason, they went with regular incandescent bulbs for the vanities. So picked up this kit from Diode Dynamics, and we're just going to go over the install. Hopefully it is easy and fast. So let's get to it. All right, so for the 24 and up S650s, I have not been able to find a video on this yet, only for the S550. But with that, you're gonna need an extremely thin plastic prying tool. So like even this end was not working. So luckily I have this little one here with this angle to it, and you're gonna slide it right in there and then pry it out. So I was able to get that one out, which will expose the bulb if you wanna use tweezers, or it'll expose these screws here so that you can just take this off, which is what we'll probably do. So you want to slide this in right by where you can see right underneath that tab, and then work it down. Boop! And she pops out. Now you're going to take these two Phillips head screws out, and we're going to remove this entire piece. And we're back. This is not easy to do with one hand and holding a camera. So here's our little switch right here to test her out. So now we're going to just put some gloves on. We're going to pull these out so we get a good grip. We're going to slide the new LEDs in. And because they are polarity sensitive, whatever it is, they only go in one way. You're going to put the bulb in. You're going to test the switch, make sure it works. If not, you're going to take it out, flip it, and put it back in. So let's try it out. Let's test her out. Bam! Much better. Here, we'll do a quick comparison. Look at that. Oh, baby. Come on, there ain't no comparison to that. All right, guys. So there you have it. They're both done. They are looking stellar. Everything matches now. Everything's nice and updated, bright white. Bam! Everything is the same color and everything looks nice and modern. So for once, everything went nice and smooth. It was only 5 minutes, soup to nuts. It's super easy to do if you just follow the video. So I haven't been able to find anything online about the S650, so it is the same as the S550. It's a nice, quick, easy mod. They're like $10 or $12 for the set. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys like this video. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and help me reach that 4K subscriber mark. I appreciate any of the support, guys. Thanks.